We're about to order up some McDonald's, kids. What do you want?
Hi, what can I get for you?
Hang on 1 second, hon.
Okay, take your time.
I need to get a small caramel frappuccino.
And another one.
Make that 2.
And then 2 large fries, medium, and then with a lot of ketchup.
Did you want extra whip? Okay. And then we need, what was you wanting?
A double cheeseburger.
A double cheeseburger.
Everything on it.
Everything on it.
And fries. Medium fries.
Let's do the pick 2 for $3. Do the double cheeseburger and a medium fry.
You still want the other double cheese?
No, just
Okay.
that and then the fries. The pick 2 for $3. And then Gracie, what do you want? Do you want a hamburger and fries?
She just wants fries. I just want fries with ketchup.
But do you want a hamburger too?
No.
And then give me a medium fries with a let's see here. What do y'all have here? No.
Nothing, Mama, nothing.
Just give me a another double cheeseburger. And I've actually I've got a coupon, if you buy a sandwich you get one free. So I'm gonna add that free double cheeseburger to the other one. And then give me a small French vanilla iced coffee.
Is that bill?
Gracie, did you? Never mind. Yeah, that'll be it.
That'll be $12.23 first one. No, thank you.
What kind of apple pies do you guys have?
We have the cherry and cream or just the apple.
Do y'all want one? Okay, give me one of the or 2 of the cherry and creams, please. And that'll be it.
Okay, that'll be $13.96 first one. No, thank you.
Thank you. Do you need to see this for the free?
There you go.
Thank you.
$13.86.
This card right here, you can get all kinds of like discounted like
Let me see it.
through fast food
Let me
restaurants.
see.
And I used the heck out of that thing.
Who gave this to you?
Myra did.
Wait, does it run?
Here you go.
Thank you, thank you.
When does it end?
Don't start.
Gracie, why did you unbuckle for? We're about to pull in down here anyways. It don't matter. We'll be pulling in right here.
How much are these?
They were like $15, I think. $10 or $15.
And you can use how many times you want?
Yeah, for a whole year. I think it's a year or 2. It expires 11/01/17.
November.
And then you get 50% off. Yeah, then you get 50% off of enrolling at Curbs if you want to.
What's that?
Like a workout thing.
Let's go. I need one.
Oh, those look good.
Mm-hmm.
See them?
You guys order with 2 cherry cream pies?
Yes. Thank you. Did you put ketchup in here, hon?
You need ketchup on it?
Yes.
Right here.
Thank you. Can I get a packet of mayonnaise too, please? McDouble. A McDouble, kids. Thank you. You have a good day, sweet pea.
Sorry, honey.
Oh, sorry. Thank you. Man, we can't forget my coffee. She said, here you go, honey. Forgetting my darn iced coffee, guys. So we're about to bounce up in here, eat this, and we're about to do some shopping here in a minute. Yes, indeed. So, anyways, what in the world's everybody been doing today? Oh, here in Tennessee, it's like, I'm sure that y'all are getting bad weather too, but...
Bad weather.
Well, we're supposed to get some snow or something, but...
That ain't bad weather.
It was, like spitting snow earlier.
I hate snow. Hate it.
Well, I normally like it if we get a lot, but here lately we ain't got hardly nothing to amount to nothing.
I hate it.
Guys, have y'all ever tried mayonnaise and french fries? Mmm. They're actually delightful. Miss Katie's 12 years old now. She turned 12 March the 5th.
No one cares.
You need a napkin?
No.
This mayonnaise that they do now, it's like freaking white mayonnaise. Who wants white mayonnaise? We need the real thing. I'm just saying. But you make do with what you got, right? These are good.
Mm-hmm. No one wants to see your hamburger.
Actually, as a matter of fact, people do watch these. Not everybody, but a lot do. Food is just the bomb. Well, heck. Back up, save the day. This coffee's not sweetened, so coupon girl here always has stashes of sweet and low.
Not weird at all.
Do what? I mean, they normally put sweetener in there. What's up with that?
What?
You missed out what I just did. This is my third cup today, guys.
You're at 10.
Remember that song? Wander Pets, Wander Pets.
No.
No. What the heck?
Ming Ming.
Oh,
It don't sound like that.
I remember.
Grace used to love that. That was her favorite cartoon when we done her birthday party and that.
I still have my Ming Ming thing. Well, I had it.
You don't eat your picks?
Huh?
You don't eat the pickles?
No, I don't like bread and butter pickles.
I get to where
To where?
when I get like halfway through the sandwich, I can't eat all the bread.
Me
Why?
too. Because it gets like cold
Stale.
and nasty.
Nuh-uh.
It ain't on you.
I know.
Oh man.
What?
Oh no. I got people on my head.
Here. The next thing, kids, last but not least, we have a freaking cherry pie that are altogether lovely. Mmm. These are so good.
Do you have something I can get these fries in with, like a container? Okay.
Thank you. This cream cheese is amazing, guys. What'd you do?
I had a bread freeze.
Lord,
What?
those hurt. If y'all hadn't tried these, get you some. They're good. Gracie, you want this other one?
Remember when I had cheese sticks?
Them were gross.
I liked them.
Look. She had them to blow. What are they doing over there?
I don't know.
I'm sleepy. Anyways, guys, we're going to wrap this mess up. And we will talk to you guys later. Run on over and get you one of these cherry pies. They are delightful, guys. Talk to you guys later. Bye.